Deflate का synonyms क्या होगा? A. Hallucination. B. Lunacy. C. Diminish. D. Chaos. आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी diminish. Deflate. Verb. To become or to make something smaller by letting the air gas out of it. किसी की हवा निकलना या निकालना. The balloon slowly deflated. To make somebody feel less confident, proud or excited. आत्मविश्वास या गौरव भाव को चोट पहुंचना, आत्मविश्वास न्यूनता का शिकार होना. I felt really deflated when I got my exam results. हवा निकालना. Translations of deflate. Verb. Synonyms. Deflate खंडन करना. Rebut, negate, contradict, deny, disaffirm. Pump से निकालना. Deflate, pump out, siphon. तरदीद करना. Confute, rebut, tear down, deflate. Antonyms or near antonyms. Inflate, bulk, increase, dilate, blow up, expand, swell. Balloon, puff up, grow, distend, accumulate, snowball. Mushroom. Usage. The tire of the bus deflated near the bus stop. Become deflated of flaccid, as by losing air. Deflate equals आत्मविश्वास कम करना. English usage. He cannot be deflated by people's opposition. Deflate equals भरी हुई हवा निकालना. English usage. The tire of the bus deflated near the bus stop. Deflate equals कम होना verb. English usage. The price of essential items could not be deflated even at the time of full crop. Protrude का synonyms क्या होगा? A. Tinsel. B. Acquaint. C. Perpetual. D. Extend. आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी extend. Protrude. Verb. To stick out from a place or surface. सतह आदि का बाहर की ओर निकलना. बढ़ान. Protrude फैलाना. Diffuse, protrude, unfold, expand, stud, disseminate. बढ़ाना. Increase, amplify, magnify, raise, elongate, protrude. उभरना. Protrude, stand out, grow, effervesce, get excited. Antonyms or near antonyms. Shrink, compress, contract, condense, constrict. Protrude equals बाहर निकला हुआ होना या निकालना. Usage. Librarian asked the students that books should not be left protrude while they search for the magazine. Tinsel का synonyms क्या होगा? A. Flourish. B. Mourn. C. In toto. D. Gingerly. आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन A. Flourish. Tinsel चमकी. Noun. Long strings of shiny colored paper, used as a decoration to hang on a Christmas tree. चमकीले रंगीन कागज के लंबे फीते जिनसे क्रिसमस वृक्ष पर टांगने की सजावटी वस्तुएं बनती हैं. Synonyms for tinsel. Cheap, chintzy, flashy, garish, glaring, glitzy, loud, meretricious, showy, tacky, tawdry. Antonyms. Unseemliness, impropriety, ill nature, maleficence, disarrange, dishonor, improperness. Tinsel noun. Example. A thread with glittering metal foil attached. A showy decoration that is basically valueless. Interweave with tinsel. Example. Tinseled velvet. Adorn with tinsel. Example. Snowflakes tinseled the trees. Impart a cheap brightness too. Example. His tinseled image of Hollywood. Acquaint का synonyms क्या होगा? A. Notify. B. Concealed. C. Hide. D. Lunacy. आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन A. Notify. Acquaint. Verb. To make somebody or yourself become familiar with something. किसी वस्तु या बात से परिचित होना या करवाना. I spent several hours acquainting myself with the new computer system. Synonyms. परिचय कराना. Introduce, familiarize, acquaint, introduce oneself, deputize, put up to. सूचना देना. Inform, report, notice, apprise, herald, acquaint. Antonyms. Antonyms for acquaint. Most relevant. Delude. Conceal. Hide. Secrete. Suppress. Withhold. Deceive. Falsify. Hold back. Mislead. Misrepresent. Acquaint kriya. Inform. Udaharan. Please acquaint your colleagues of your plans to move. Make familiar or conversant with. Paryayvachi. Familiarize. Familiarize. Udaharan. We familiarized ourselves with the new surroundings. You should acquaint yourself with your new computer. Cause to come to know personally. पर्यायवाची. Introduce, present. उदाहरण. Introduce the new neighbors to the community. Permit me to acquaint you with my son. Techy का synonyms क्या होगा? A. Profligate. B. Supple. C. Wintry. D. Choleric. आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी choleric. Techy. Adjective. Irritable and bad-tempered. She had always been tetchy and impatient with him. Similar. Irritable. Irascible. Peevish. Crotchety. Cantankerous. Cross. Fractious. Disagreeable. Pettish. Crabbed. Crabby. Waspish. Prickly. Testy. Peppery. Impatient. Grumpy. Bad-tempered. Ill-tempered. Ill-natured. Ill-humored. Touchy. Scratchy. Volatile. Crusty. Dyspeptic. Splenetic. Liverish. Short-tempered. Hot-tempered. Quick-tempered. Choleric. Snappish. Snappy. Chippy. Grouchy. Cranky. On a short fuse. Shirty. Narky. Ratty. Eggy. Like a bear with a sore head. Peckish. Sore-headed. Snaky. Miffy. Opposite. Good-humored. Chirchira. Techy jhalla. Krodhi. Resentful. Quick-tempered. Edgy. Farosh. Fiery. Techy. Techy विशेषण. Easily irritated or annoyed. पर्यायवाची. Cranky, fractious, irritable, nettlesome, peckish, peevish, pettish, petulant, scratchy, techy, testy. अनख्वाहा, असहनशील, असहिष्णु, आशुकोपी, कनकना, चिरचिरा, तुनक मिजाज. उदाहरण. An incorrigibly fractious young man. Not the least nettlesome of his countrymen. English usage. He is a techy person. Profligate का synonyms क्या होगा? A. Supple. B. Wintry. C. Savor. D. Amoral. आपका आंसर होगा ऑप्शन डी अमोरल. Profligate. Adjective. Wasting money, time, etc. or using it in a careless way. समय, धन आदि का व्यय या उनका बेपरवाही से प्रयोग करने वाला. अपव्ययी, फिजूल खर्च. Profligate spending. अपव्ययी. Profligate, wasteful, thriftless, prodigal, lavish, improvident. Urao. Prodigal, spendthrift, profligate, wasteful, unthrifty, thriftless. Brashtacharan. Lecherous, dissipated, profligate, dissolute, liquorish, unbridled. Profligate adjective. Unrestrained by convention or morality. Synonyms. Debauched, degenerate, degraded, dissipated, dissolute, fast, libertine, riotous. Examples. Congreve draws a debauched aristocratic society. Deplorably dissipated and degraded. Fast women. Riotous living. Recklessly wasteful. Synonyms. Extravagant, prodigal, spendthrift. Example. Prodigal in their expenditures. Profligate noun. A recklessly extravagant consumer. Synonyms. Prodigal, squanderer. A dissolute man in fashionable society. Synonyms. Blood, blood, rake, rakehell, rip.